Welcome in everybody, it's Killer the King 97 here with another Beyblade unboxing. So now we have Storm Capricorn Move 105 Quick. It's one of the few Beyblades that has this jumping cannon gimmick. It is the original jumping gimmick Beyblade. It jumps around the stadium in a weird little way with its tip quick. So this is one of the craziest little gimmicks I've ever seen for a Beyblade, and I thought this was like the coolest thing ever back when I was a kid. So I believe this guy's name is Tobio. I think I said that right, Tobio.
No, Tobio is no more. My name is Captain
He's the snipe hunter. I think I can't remember. Or he calls it the Sniper Capricorn, something along those lines. I cannot remember it to save my life. Oh, there's a lot of stickers. There's a lot of stickers for this. But I did say I was going to start doing the stickers more, so I did say that. I did. It came out of my mouth. So I'm going to be a man of my word. I'm going to put the stickers on there. So Move is one of the first unique ones for the spin track. Along with, because you can move it. You literally can actually move how it jumps around. Like you can, it actually, like that's a pretty cool mechanic. Move 105. Like you can actually move quick around where you want it. So you can actually put it on the left side, or you can put it on the right side, or you can even have it in the middle. And if a Beyblade actually hits this, it can actually move from side to side. So it actually looks like a hoof from a Capricorn or a goat. It actually looks like that, so it's actually hooved. If you look at that right there, you can see on that part right there, it's actually nicely slanted. So that's how I was able to jump around. It's just a neat little mechanic. I won't lie, I wish it would have got a different fusion wheel. Like, I wish it would have introduced a different fusion wheel. So that it's Storm, of course, and as we know, Storm weighs 30 grams. Then we have Capricorn's Energy Ring, 2.7, Capricorn Space Bolt, 1 gram, Quake, 0.6 grams, Move 105, 4.4 grams. Let's put it together. So we now have Storm Capricorn 145, Move 145 Quick. Sorry, I got a little tongue twisted right there. 38.8 grams. Alright, let's put these stickers on here. You're about to see this video fast forwarded.
So what do you?
Alright, there you have it. Every sticker is on. Storm, Capricorn, move 105, quick. We have it. We did it. We did it. We did it. All right, let's get to stadium. It is also a right spinning bay, by the way. I don't think I've been saying that on all the things. Did I finish waiting? $38.8. Okay, just in case I did. Alright, so he will be going against Storm Pegasus. Oh, that's his jumping is life. All right, so first one goes to Pegasus. We just swept in. The second match goes to Pegasus. Come on, man. First 4 matches. Come on. Best out of 4. Come on, Capricorn. I know Jinka beat you in the anime, but calm down. We're not gonna count that. Ooh, there we go. There we go, Capricorn. There we go. All right, so they're 2-2. 2-2. All right, whoever takes this next one wins it all. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Hello? Where were you going? He got sniped. Pegasus got sniped. Just because. Storm Capricorn, everybody. Storm Capricorn, move 145, quick. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Caleb the King 97. I'll see you all in the next video. If you want Beyblades and Metal Fights, go to beywarehouse.com. Use my code PTK97 to get 10% off your entire order. Every time you use my code, you get 10% off. and I'll see you guys in the next video.